Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Monty Lebash. I am the licensed acupuncturist here at Del Sol Community Wellness. Today I'm going to talk to you about a brief introduction into what acupuncture is, what you can expect on your visit, and a little bit about the kind of acupuncture we do here. We do mostly group acupuncture. So I'm going to explain a little bit about all those details today. So first things first, acupuncture is just one facet of traditional Chinese medicine. It's based on Chinese medicine theory where we have qi, which is your vital energy that runs throughout your body. And so sometimes what will happen is that qi will get stuck or we don't have enough. And that qi is important because it's bringing blood, it's bringing nutrition to all parts of our body. And so what we do is we use these teeny tiny acupuncture needles, sterile, one-time use. As you can see, 10 of these probably can't even see them, you can even flick them, fit into a regular syringe that you would get a vaccine or, blood drawn, and it's a one-time use, so they go straight into the sharps container. Okay? And so what can you expect when you come in for a visit? So yes, this is a group setting, but we do all consultations privately. So we have a room, you'll come in, you and I will chit chat, and then we'll decide where do we go from there as far as your treatment goes, and then we'll go into the group setting. So again, the consultation, what do you expect? What are we going to talk about? So obviously we're going to talk about why you're there. So for example, if you're there for low back pain, we're going to talk all about it. When did it start? What does it feel like? Does it radiate anywhere? What makes it better? What makes it worse? But in addition to that, Chinese medicine is a holistic medicine. So I may ask you questions about stress. I may ask you questions about sleep. I may ask you about your digestive issues, any gynecological issues. Because Chinese medicine is a holistic medicine. Everything's connected. And yes, we're going to get your low back pain better, but I also want you feeling better as a whole person. And again, those other things, stress, digestion, those can affect your low back pain. So that's what you can expect when you come in for your appointment. And so the last thing that I want to talk about is group acupuncture. What can you expect with that? It may or may not be a little different from what you're expecting. So I'm going to go back to the low back pain example. So you might be thinking, okay, they're going to stick some needles in my back. Yes or no, it depends on your case. So in group settings, we utilize different systems on your body. We may use distal needling or mirrored imaging needling, ear acupuncture, scalp acupuncture, just depends on your case. So for example, low back pain again, so different structures on your body may represent your spine. So for example, your index finger represents your spine, so down here would be more so of your lumbar spine. So I may choose points down here which would represent your low back pain. And that could be any joint or bone in your body could represent your low back. Just depends on your case. In addition to that, we have ear acupuncture. You have different areas on your ear that correspond with the lumbar spine. And then lastly, we also have scalp acupuncture, depending on what you are going through, if it's a sensory, if it's a motor issue. We have points on the scalp that are definitely very useful, both classically and clinically for your specific case. So I want to thank you all for tuning in. Again, my name is Dr. Monty Lebash, the licensed acupuncturist here at Del Sol. If you're interested in making an appointment, you can definitely go on our website. If you have any questions and you want to email me, the email address is my first name, Monty, @delsolcommunitywellness.com, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for tuning in.